Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can install extensions on your Google Chrome. Extensions are really helpful pieces of software which can help enhance your browsing experience and can also help you automate different tasks that you would else do manually. So let's see how it can be done. First, open your Google Chrome. Now, to install extensions, the best place is to install it using the Chrome Web Store. Now, if you don't know how to reach there, simply type Chrome Web Store and hit enter. Now, click on the first link by Google. Now, this is the Chrome Web Store, just like your regular App Store. Now, you can search for any of the extensions that you want. For example, let's search for Volume Booster. Now, to add any extension to your browser, simply click on Add to Chrome button. Then, click on the Add Extension button on the pop-up. Now, you will see the message that Volume Booster has been added to Chrome. Then, you can access all your extensions from this button, present at the top corner of your screen. Click on this button and you can see your installed extension. Click on this extension to activate it, and now you can use your extension as desired. Now, what this extension particularly does is that it boosts your volume up to 1000% as it claims. So you can install any of the extension which are required by you and your work. So now you have known that how to install an extension in Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to hit the like button, comment on the video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.